Hello guys and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a checklist on Notion. Firstly, open Notion and create a new page, then select an existing page where you want to add the list. In your Notion page, type / to bring up the block menu. Scroll through the list of options or type to search for this list type that fits your purpose, such as to-do list, bullet list, numbered list, and checklist. After selecting your list type, which is checklist, start typing the items you want to add. Then press enter after each item to add a new line and continue with your list. For example, if you select to-do list, you'll see checkbox next to each item. Once your list is complete, you can rearrange the items by clicking and dragging them up or down on the list. Once your list is ready, you can share it with others in few ways, like email or Facebook or any social media platform. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.